This is the battery pack for the Vive 3-wheel power scooter. Battery pack is installed right now. What we'll do is cover the initial charge as well as maintenance and recharging. Your first step will be to pull aside the port cover to expose the overload protector button in the power port. You'll plug the wall charger into any standard 110 volt wall outlet. Plug the cord into the power port. The initial charge from flat battery will be about 10 to 12 hours. Once it's approaching roughly 90% power, the light on the wall charger will illuminate green. From there, leave the device plugged in for another hour or two just to make sure that the battery is fully topped off. And then disconnect the battery and the wall charger from the wall. With repeated use, the battery will condition, it will wear in. So after 3 or 4 full recharges, your battery will reach its optimum power level. If you're not using the scooter regularly, just as maintenance, recharge the battery fully every week to 2 weeks, and make sure to disconnect the power cord when not in use. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.